Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a common task for your Jaguar F-Pace key fob, replacing its battery. It's a simple process that you can easily do yourself with just a few basic items. You will need your key fob, a small flathead screwdriver, and a new CR2032 battery. Having these ready will make the entire procedure smooth and quick, ensuring your key fob is back to full power in no time. Let's get started with preparing your key for the battery swap. To begin, find the small chrome cover on the side of your key fob. Gently slide this cover upwards, and you will see the emergency key blade. Carefully remove this blade from its compartment. Now, use the tip of this emergency key blade to pry open the key fob casing. There's a small slot where you can insert the key and twist gently to separate the two halves. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. With the key fob now open, you will clearly see the old, circular CR2032 battery. Gently use your fingers or the tip of your small screwdriver to lift the old battery out of its slot. It should come out quite easily. Be mindful not to touch any of the delicate electronic components inside the fob. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and place it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Press it down gently until it is securely seated. Now that the new battery is in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Next, slide the emergency key blade back into its holder. Finally, replace the chrome cover by sliding it back down over the key fob until it clicks into its locked position. Give your key fob a quick test to confirm everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.